Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a crystal review, but I do have some sad news as indicated in the title. Swarovski crystals will no longer be selling crystals in their traditional form. The company is taking a new direction, which means that creatives like me and people probably that you follow all across your channel will no longer be featuring Swarovski crystals in their projects. This was super sad because I really love their quality, and I've actually linked some videos in the description box which explain what happened a little bit better than what I just did. But I'm not really gonna dwell on it. I'm sad, but I did go on a couple of other pages, and they all suggested to try Preciosa components. So that's what I'm trying today. I have a project that someone commissioned me for, and when they asked me which crystals they should use, I suggested that they try Preciosa. First of all, Preciosa, I would say, as far as expense is concerned, is at least 50% less expensive than Swarovski crystals, but I have no idea what these look like. I'm opening these up and we're all gonna see these at the same time, so I don't know what to expect. So I just thought I would open this envelope and we could take a look together. So I have two colors. I have crystal, and then I also have emerald. And what I think I want to do is open the emerald ones first, because I just feel like these probably will have the most sparkle. So let's get started. So for this, the envelope looks kind of the same. I mean, Rhinestone Biz, I still order from them. I still like them. It looks kind of like a Swarovski crystal envelope, but just like a little bit, I don't want to say cheaper, but just a little different. So here we go. So this is what it looks like, and then this is what it looks like on the front. And actually I do have a Swarovski crystal envelope, so I'll grab that one so we can make a comparison. Okay, so I'm here and now I have both envelopes, and you know what I have to say, like, honestly, even though I said that it was a little bit cheaper, it's actually not. It just has a different design. I actually like the purple a little bit better. I like the silver inlay on both of these. I'm just used to Swarovski. I feel like this paper is a little bit heavier, and I know that they double wrap these, and we've seen these because I've done a couple of crystal envelope openings, so I'm not going to open these today, but I am going to open these. So on the front, comparing, I don't know what a lot of this means. This is an SS12. These are SS16s. So that's how you would read this portion. I don't know what this up here means. And I don't know what this means, but I'll find out and let you know. The color is emerald. The back is foiled. This is what it looks like. I have 10 gross. Also, as indicated here, 10 gross, and 1 gross is right here, so that you have an idea of what that means. And then on the flip side, this has all of the barcodes. I never return my crystals, so I don't even know like what that's for. This is plain, and then this has like a little tab that you pull to like open the envelope. This one does not, so it looks like it's just folded, but I don't know. And then they both have the foiled seal. So let's get these opened and see how we like them. Oh, and another important difference is it looks like these crystals were made in Austria, and these crystals were made in the Czech Republic. So I haven't been to either place, but I'm sure they both produce lovely crystals. So let's get started and open these up. Oh, that's cute. Oh, and I didn't know that they have been around since 1548. Okay, so this one is, it looks like it's double folded as well. And oh, these are lovely. These are really pretty. So hopefully you can see this. They have a lot of sparkle to them, way more than I expected. Like I said, these are 12, so a little bit smaller than the 16s. I like working with the 16s. I also like working with what size? Oh, 20s, but 12s are really good for the project that I'm going to be using these for. These are gorgeous. So if anyone is wondering, I mean, I guess now like it kind of doesn't matter, but if you're wondering what a good substitute, I would 100% just off of opening this envelope, I would recommend these. I think these are really, really pretty. Really gorgeous. So hopefully you can really see that. Ask me any questions you want. If you need like a closer look in a different video, I'm happy to give it to you, but these are super cute. I really don't see a huge difference, and I'm kind of mad at myself that I don't have any green Swarovski crystals, but I'm gonna look through my supply and see if maybe I have something that I can compare it to, but these are really, really, really gorgeous. Okay, so this is the second envelope of crystals that I ordered. These are like just the crystal clear crystals, same envelope. There's nothing different. This is where they would show the color. So right here. And same thing, super cute. These are also an SS12. So I will open these up and show you what they look like. Now, one thing I do want to say is when you're opening your envelopes, I don't know if I've ever said this, this is so important. Be super careful when you're opening it. Always open on a flat surface, because the last thing you want to do is have to pick crystals up off of your floor. And always have like a plastic sandwich bag to store the envelope in when you're done, or whatever container you're going to keep these in, just to make sure that you don't lose any, because no matter how much you pay for them, they're too expensive to waste and to lose. So, oh, these are the crystals. Okay, so I can tell you right now, like honestly, just by looking at these ones, that these do not give me the same wow factor that the Swarovski crystals do. And I don't know how else to say that. I mean, they just don't seem as heavy, but they're very, very sparkly, but they just don't give me that same, like when I open the envelope, I'm opening the envelope, we both saw it at the same time, but if you go back and look at the other videos of me like showing the crystal envelopes, this one just doesn't give me that same wow factor. But you know, let me know in the comments if you didn't, you know, that it was different for you. But these are really, really pretty. And again, you know, I've had comments in some of my projects, especially with the flip-flops, with people asking, oh, it seems like, you know, that's a lot of money to put on flip-flops, and you know the crystals may fall off. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, this is a good one, because you wouldn't spend as much and you would still get a nice amount of sparkliness for this, you know, for what you want. So I'm gonna take one of these off and sit it here. Hopefully you can see that. And then I actually have a Swarovski crystal. Now, it's not the same size, but we can definitely compare the sparkly factor, and you can let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get this as close as I can, but these are the crystals. So this one is the Preciosa, the smaller one, and this larger one is the Swarovski. Let me try to, I'm gonna put them actually on this little card thing, so maybe you can see them just a little bit better. So at first glance, I'm sorry, okay. So at first glance, I feel like the Swarovski one has more cuts. And what I mean by that is, like, you know, if you're cutting a diamond, you know, I'm not like super up on my diamonds, but I know that the cut definitely affects how much sparkle it has. So it just seems like this one, which is the Swarovski, may have like one or two more cuts to give it like more of a sparkly factor, but they both really sparkle. They both have a lot of sparkle, so I really, for the amount of money, I mean, unless you're just like super nitpicky, I think that it's worth it. I definitely think this is worth it. And once we finish the project, which I'll be working on in my next video, we'll really have a good idea of how it looks. But this is the Preciosa review. I'm gonna go over a Rhinestone Biz color chart that I received on a different kind of crystal, but I wanted to show you guys these just to give you a comparison so that you have a good idea of what to expect. And just for the record, the crystal clear crystals of the Preciosa line are the only ones that so far I just don't feel compared to the Swarovski. The emerald ones were gorgeous in color, and these are gorgeous too. The only difference between these and the Swarovski ones is that they seem a little bit heavier, but I don't think that'll really matter during the application. So hopefully this helps. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.